Life has taught me. Life has taught me to continue, and I've always felt this way. Do the best that you can do, no matter what. As I say all the time, no matter what you're thinking, what you're doing, you're making new memories for yourself, and you're making new memories for other people as well. When I hear the sentence, "my sister's voice," I think it sounds like something mysterious to me. But on the other hand, I know that somehow we have to hear those voices that are far, far away from us. We have to hear those voices that cannot pick up the telephone and call us with their message. We have to hear those voices that cannot get on the internet and text us, or they can't email us, or somehow just they're being blocked and prohibited from getting their voices out. So what I hear is that, in my sister's voice, is that we have to continue to do what we can to support people who are being held back by their particular circumstances wherever they live, or by the politics in the countries wherever they live, because there are a lot of women who are not being heard